Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. here. I want to share a few tips on how to promote your fan page here with Heart Body Naturals. Okay, so first and foremost, you need to go ahead and create your profile, create your page, create you a nice little backdrop cover photo, create you a profile picture. Make sure there's a picture of yourself. You can have this health and wellness oriented if you choose to. It's totally up to you. To show you something that I just did. I just invited my friends, and so I clicked on invite friends. Really cool feature, and it allows me the opportunity to select all of my friends that's on my friends list. Okay, which I've already did. So I'm gonna select all, and then I'm gonna send the invites to 2,482 people. And as you can see, people are already starting to like my fan page, accept the invite, likes, and so forth. So now to boost your post, as you can see here, I've already made this post, okay, a testimonial post. And if I wanted to boost it, I would just click on boost, okay, and then you want to let me show you an example of what. Okay, add discrimination, add targeting, acceptable, run later, accept that. Okay, now thank you for accepting our non-discrimination policy. Okay, done. This is new. Alright, I have to make a payment on this particular account to run these ads. But anyway, I just wanted to show you this. You can target people, okay? You can target people. Make sure that you go through this. You can target certain people, age groups, okay? And you got a budget. It shows you right here that you can estimate it reached 820 to 3,000 people per day. You can do it 7 days. You can do 7 days. You can do 14 days. Kind of shows you how much is it you're going to be spending per day. So that's pretty much in a nutshell. Very, very, very simple, short, sweet way for you to start promoting it. Okay. And that's pretty much it, folks. I mean, there's nothing really complicated. It's really just that simple for you to start doing that and start getting some more likes on your page. Just make sure that you are be consistent. Make sure that you're budgeting properly so you can get the attention that your fan page needs. My fan page right now has 1,542 likes, and I definitely want to reach more people than that. So every week I'll hit this button to invite friends, and as you can see, they're still coming in. Okay, they're still coming in. There's a lot of great things that you can do with a fan page. So go through it. Make YouTube your best friend. If you want more tips on how to really, really, really monetize your Facebook fan page, again, I don't want to spend a lot of time on this. Just want to show you some basics on how to just promote your page. Okay, all you gotta do is make a post. Okay, once you make the post, then you can boost the post, and that's how you pretty much boost your fan page on Facebook. It's your boy James R. Davis. Hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, hit me up. Talk to you soon. Peace.